Hello my beautiful friends. Today the recipe which I'm gonna share is meete gulgule. That's the recipe of my mother-in-law, and the ingredients which we use are 1 cup of room temperature water, 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of semolina, and then 3/4 cup of shredded coconut, pinch of baking soda, pinch of orange color, which is food color and is optional, some golden raisins, handful, and then I crushed the cardamom to make a powder of it, along with 1 tablespoon of sugar. And first step is to make a sugar syrup. So I'm going to pour 1 cup of water in the pan and then add 2 cup of sugar to it and make a very nice thin sugar syrup, which will take easily 5 to 6 minutes. In another mixing bowl, I like to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of semolina, 3/4 cups of shredded coconut, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon or half as you like. I have shredded it, made the powder along with 1 tablespoon of sugar. It was easier for me. And then I'm gonna add pinch of yellow color and a pinch of kind of like half teaspoon, I would say, of baking soda. I'll wait for the sugar syrup to be done. We have to reduce the temperature, turn off the heat, and then wait for the sugar syrup to come to room temperature before adding it to this mixture. In the meanwhile, I'll just give it a nice stir. So all the things, they just start mixing up and acting together. We'll wait for 10 minutes for the sugar syrup to be added to this. As you can see, the sugar has completely dissolved, and this is the consistency. Nicely dissolved. It took 6 to 7 minutes. We have turned off the heat and we will let it rest for next 10 minutes so we can mix it with our other ingredients. After 10 minutes, we are going to start mixing this sugar syrup which we had made. I'll try to just mix it. I think I will use all of it. It smells yummy. So you don't have to add the whole sugar syrup. Just have a look at how much we need to get this consistency, which is like this. We have to let it settle down for 1 hour or more than that, and then fry them, deep fry them in hot oil. So this mixing has been done. Have a look at it. The consistency is this. We have to leave it for 1.5 hours or so and then come and fry it. See you. After checking the consistency, I felt like the need of half cup of all-purpose flour, so I just used my half cup baking measurement and then added half cup of all-purpose flour. So altogether now it's 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half cup of semolina. We are not going to add the whole sugar syrup which we made, and we will just keep on adding and check the consistency. It should be a little thick so it can form its shape while getting fried. We will just mix it and leave it for 1.5 hours. Okay friends, so after 1.5 hours we still have these mixed dry fruits, few golden raisins. I found some sliced almonds in my refrigerator and some pistachios, so I added that. We left it covered and see how it looks like. Much more settled, we are gonna add the dry fruits to it, and then over here the wok is being on high flame. Its oil is getting ready so they can be deep fried. So we drop them with the help of a spoon. If it's sticky, just take the help of another spoon to drop these, and don't touch them for a minute or two. After dropping them in, just lower down the flame and then let them cook nice and easy for a minute or two before turning them. And this is my smallest and my last batch of these meaty gulgule. If you have to turn when you see that the bubbles start appearing on the surface, so then you can just, with the tip of a knife, you can just start turning them lightly. So they can be cooked on the other side. Similarly, keep turning all of them so they can be cooked for a while. Very nicely, gently keep turning all of them so they can be cooked on the other side. So after turning them, this is the final frying phase of my last batch. Have a look. Let them fry on each side for easily 2 to 3 minutes so they can get their nice golden brown color. So here is the final result. These are the meaty gulgule, or the sweet fritter. We have another plate of this. So in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half cup of semolina, along with the other ingredient, we made this much. 2 or 3 are eaten by my kids just for tasting that how do they taste. And I hope you like the recipe, the video, and I will give all the details in the comments below. So I hope you make these and enjoy with your family. And one more tip is not to throw the sugar syrup, because if you need to dilute the batter after 1.5 hours, do so. Put all the sugar syrup which was the remaining and then beat it along with the batter so they can just get a little dilute, and then deep fry them and enjoy with your family. Take care till next time. Goodbye.